Eddie, what are you doing to me? Y'all, this is a challenge. We're gonna attempt everything. Look at the tip. This is a tip cutting. Y'all, okay, what is that? I mean, with from the wood, we're talking about 1.25 inches. And there are 1, 2, 3, there's 5 nodes. Eddie, you're absolutely killing me. Y'all, there are 5 nodes in that little term. Hey everybody, this is Danny with My Fix Fix. Y'all, I just got this in last night. Y'all, this is Figgy Ed's single node challenge shipment. I want to share the unboxing with all of you. I want to show you the setup, what we're planning on doing, how we're going to do this. I have seen a few pictures, but I don't know what's in this box. So y'all, tag along, see what we've got. I'm gonna show you all and I'm gonna explain the challenge. Oh boy, Figgy Ed, what have you done? Okay, y'all, so here we go. This is the shipment I just got in from Figgy Ed. This is our single node cutting, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and let y'all see. First and foremost, be careful with our knives that we all use to do this. Don't cut yourself. But while I'm cutting all the tape, just kind of want to explain the single node challenge. So, well, first off, so Jeremy actually kind of came across Ben Aratib Gardens channel. So check out Aratib Gardens. And Ben and Eddie and I had been discussing, okay, what are some different ways we can root cuttings? What are some ideas that we can try? Well, Jeremy came across Ben's channel, Aratib Gardens, and he had some really good videos on single node cuttings. So Figgy Ed had this idea. He had a few Angelito limbs on his indoor Angelito tree with a ton of nodes on them. So he's like, okay, how many of these can we root? And let's give them all away. So that's our plan. He cut them, he spread them out. Ben has some, Jeremy has some, and myself has some of these cuttings. And the challenge is not between Jeremy, Ben, and myself. No, the challenge is between us and these cuttings. How many of these can we actually root? We want to try to root as many as we can, single node if possible, and then we're going to give them all away. We're going to give them to all of you guys. We're not going to keep any of these Angelitos. We're going to get them out to all of you in probably a big giveaway. Now, can we successfully root 10? I don't know. Can we successfully root 50? I don't know. I think between the 3 of us, we've got close to 100 nodes. 100 nodes. So between the 3 of us, we've got 100. Maybe we can get, I'm to be honest with you, I'm just going to tell you, if we can get 40 or 50, I'm going to be super excited. But y'all, what if we can get 60, 70, 80 trees out of all of these nodes? That will be absolutely fantastic. We're going to share all that with you guys. So again, be careful with your knife. Oops. There we go. All right, so I've got this open. Let's see what Figgy Ed has sent me. Let's see what I'm going to do with all of these cuttings. All right, so let's get the box open, see exactly what we have. So here we go. We've got a couple of gigantic Ziploc bags. Y'all, these cuttings are way, way bigger than I expected. I've only seen some pictures of these. I've not actually got to see them, obviously, so I don't really know what to expect. So first off, they're wrapped up in, put that on the ground so it doesn't blow around and distract everybody, but they're wrapped up in some, oh wow, okay, so we've got multiple cuttings here. So, okay, so these are gonna be good. I don't have any. Okay, so this one's a little thin. Again, we've got some different ones. Look how thick these are, y'all. I hopefully y'all can see that. These are going to be perfect for single node. I believe I can pull off single node with these. This one's got, ooh, oh boy. All right, so this one has got some really tight nodes up here. I'm going to have to think about this and how I might be able to route that one. This one will definitely be able to single node. What are these here? I know they're all Angelitos. That is part of the challenge. Oh my goodness. Oh, Eddie, what are you doing to me here? So this one, what is Antonio? He calls them cat whiskers, I think. That is a cat whisker. However, y'all, okay, can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that. I can single node that. There's lots of space underneath those nodes. We're going to try it. Oh my gosh. So this is just absolutely crazy. So we'll put that there. Okay, so this one is actually a Ronde Bordeaux. And I'm going to try to, I can single node some of these. I can single node some of those. So that was a surprise, actually. That one I did not expect. I thought all of these were Angelitos, Figgy Ed, much appreciated. I might not give all of those away. If I can get numerous of these Ronde de Bordeaux to root, I'm probably going to keep a couple of those for me. Let's see what these are. This is... Okay, so I think these are, yeah. Oh my gosh. Eddie. Oh, Eddie, what are you doing to me, man? Oh my goodness, y'all. So these are Angelitos. Y'all, look at that. Look at that cutting. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6 nodes. There are 6 nodes on that cutting. It's only 3 inches long. Oh boy. And this one is no different at all. And these are pretty green cuttings. They're going to require lots of humidity. This one's even worse. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 6 nodes as well. And it's about 2.5 inches long. I mean, they are tight. Okay. So, you know, Eddie, what are you doing to me? Y'all, this is a challenge. We're going to attempt everything. Look at the tip. This is a tip cutting. Y'all, okay, what is that? I mean, with from the wood, we're talking about 1.25 inches. And there are 1, 2, 3, there's 5 nodes. Eddie, you're absolutely killing me. Y'all, there are 5 nodes in that little terminal end cutting. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. Let's get this other package open. I am not sure what's in it either. I'm feeling good about these. These I feel pretty confident I can single node every one of those. These are going to be a challenge. Let's see what's in this other bag. All right, so inside of this, oh wait, there's, these were the Ronde de Bordeaux. Whew, I struggle with that for some reason. Okay, so those I'm setting over there. Those might be mine. But let's see what he has in this one. I'm gonna throw that on the ground again. Y'all, there is a lot of cuttings here. Eddie, what are you doing? You know I've got a million cuttings going, and I'm trying to hide most of those from my wife. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, I'm super excited about this. Eddie, thank you. I had no idea. I'm actually a little bit taken aback because I had no idea that these were coming. This is what I believe to be a panache. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. What a beautiful cutting. Oh my goodness, Eddie. Okay, so y'all, I'm really, really surprised at some of this. Ronde Bordeaux, very surprised about that. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I don't even know what some of these are. I'm going to have to ask Eddie. I don't know what some of these are. These are not Angelitos. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Okay. Wow. Let's just go through them. I'll try my best to get through this. So I think that's a panache. SB, maybe Sakura Black. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to ask Eddie on that. But holy mackerel, y'all, I really thought I was just getting Angelito single node challenge cuttings. I'm just really, really, really taken aback and a little bit in shock, and I don't know what to say. This is a Del San Juan Grand. Beautiful, beautiful cutting. I mean, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes on, actually 6 nodes on this one. And the cuttings are absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. I don't know what this one is. NDB. Eddie, you're going to have to help me out. I had no idea these were coming. Just wow. That's really all I can say is wow. I don't even, I'm going to have to ask a lot of questions. MP, not sure what that one is either. Just wow. Y'all, Eddie, if y'all aren't following Eddie, this is Eddie right here. This is Figgy Ed. I had no idea these were coming. I'm super appreciative, y'all. This is how Figgy Ed is. He's just the most generous, most genuine person that I know. I'm going to go ahead and finish opening these, and then we'll talk about these single nodes and what my plan is on some of these. Because honestly, right now, I had an idea, but right now, I think all of my ideas are up in the air, and I don't know exactly how I'm going to route some of these. Figo Preto? Are you kidding me? What the heck? How many cuttings is this? What is this? A Black Madeira. Stop it. Eddie. Eddie, Eddie, Eddie. A Hanram? Wow. I don't even know what, that's another Hanram. What in the world? That's another, oh my God, that's a Madeira Island. A Madeira Island Black. Stop it. Eddie, too much. I don't even know what that one is. Oh, I think I know. I'm going to have to ask to make sure. What the heck? These are tiny. A Cessac! Stop it! Oh my gosh. Oh, I cannot. Black Celeste? A Black Celeste? Oh, I'm so excited. Oh gosh. Oh, Eddie. Eddie, Eddie, Eddie. So excited. Oh, yes. Okay. Well, then, now back to my original original thing here. Oh, goodness. Okay, so I kind of have these Angelitos grouped up a little bit. Y'all, this right here, all of these are going to be pretty easy to divide up into single nodes. So I'm going to count them for y'all, how many single node attempts I'm going to have. So I've got, okay, so anyway, we'll see. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5 on just this one cutting. That's 5 single node attempts. Ooh, this one's tight. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I can get, I'm gonna get 1, 2. I'm gonna get 3 out of this one. There's actually 1, 2, 3. There's actually 5 nodes on this one, but man, 2 of these are stacked on top of each other. So I'm gonna go for 3 out of this one. So what are we at? 8. Somebody do the math for me. We've had that discussion, right? So 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. So I'm going to get 3 more out of this one. So we're up to 11. 12. Oh, oh my gosh. So 12, 13. I'm going to get 3. We're up to 15. I think I'm going to get 3 out of that one. So I think we're up to 15. Oof. 16, 17. I'm going to get 19. That's what we're up to now. 19. This is just out of these. 19, 20, 22. So we're going to be up to 22, 23, 25. We're up to 25 now. Yeah, I'm going to try it. 26, 27, 28, 20, 30. Yep, we're up to 30. So right now, with these right here, I'm at 30 possible Angelito fig trees, and then there's this. Y'all, I had an idea, and I do know what I'm going to do with these. I feel confident I have that planned out. Y'all, you're just gonna have to stay tuned because I have no earthly idea what I'm going to do with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 6. 6 nodes in a 3-inch cutting. This one's no better. So, okay, so maybe I do have an idea. Okay, so here's what I'm going to try. Okay, y'all, guarantee you, Jeremy is the sandman, right? He is fantastic at getting roots using sand. I'm going to try something different. With all of these, I'm going to go some kind of variation with Pro Mix. All right, so that's easy. But with these, I've got an idea, and I don't know if it's going to work. I'm going to have to check it out. But what if I use sand? But we saw this, Eddie and Jeremy and I saw this on some fig cutting hack on a different YouTube video. And basically they took a cutting. Now it was way longer. It was like this, right? And they put it inside of a tube with sand. And they got all of these roots all the way up and down. They actually stripped all of the bark off of one side and then put it in this tube with sand. They got roots all the way down it, and then they cut it into little pieces by node. I'm wondering if I can do something similar. But here's what I want to know. These have little buds all over them. So I want that pointing up. So I wonder if I leave it whole and I scrape the bark down to the cambium in a way that I can hopefully get roots opposite of this node. Okay, so that way I get roots here, and maybe I can cut them afterwards, put them in a pot. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm really thinking this through as I go. But I think maybe if I can do that, if I can pull that off and I can get roots on the underside of this, so down here to this bud, and then I plant that in a pot and I let this be my stem. That's what I'm gonna try. Okay, so that's my idea on these crazy ones. All of these, I think that's pretty straightforward. I can single node those into a pot with Pro Mix. These I'm gonna try this way we saw on YouTube. I don't know, y'all, but stay tuned, y'all. This is a very fun challenge. Again, it's not a challenge between myself and Ben and Jeremy. No, it is a challenge between us and this. How many of these nodes can we get to turn into a tree? And then we're going to give them all the way to you. I will most definitely keep y'all posted on how all of this is progressing. Keep up with Figgy Ed, keep up with Jeremy, Jay's Figs TX, keep up with Ben, Aerotip Gardens. Y'all, this is the single node challenge as best we can, and all of the benefits you are going to receive, y'all. Whew, Figgy Ed, what have you done? But this is going to be a lot of fun, y'all. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.